Alright, so this is the AR feature of Assemblr, and this is just one of the tours that you can take. As you can see, it's showing you an image of the human anatomy, and of course you have different systems that are available. Go to Play Store and download Assemblr. Once you do that, this is what inside the app looks like. What I'm going to do, I'm interested in the education tour, so I'm going to click on it, and then it will show me quite a variety of different tours that I can take. For the purpose of this tutorial though, I'm going to be concentrating on the liver, so I'm going to be selecting that tour. Once I do that, it will give me the option of viewing the tour in either 3D or AR. I'm going to select 3D for now. Later on in the tutorial, I'll show you what a AR tour looks like, right? So give it some time to load up the tour. Once you do that, this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so as you can see at the bottom there, you have information about the organ, right? And of course, this is very useful. There's a navigation bar there, so you can go back or forward. And of course, you can zoom it in if you want it to appear larger, or zoom out, and you can also change the orientation by tapping on the screen or moving it in the direction that you'd like it to go. Very, very useful app, right? Especially when you're teaching. I'm going to be showing you another tour, and this one looks at the human face. So I'm going to search for that one, select it. Of course, I'm going to select 3D because that is the one that I want to look at for now. And once I do that, it's going to take some time to load up as per usual. Once it loads, it's going to show me inside the tour, of course, and I have three options. Either I'm going to select the external, the muscles, or the skeleton. So for now it's showing me the external, so it's showing me the different features of the face, and then I switch over to the muscles, and of course the same information is available as well as the structure and function of the different muscles that makes up the face. Then I can move over to the skeleton, and of course it will give me the name of the different sections, the different bones that constitutes the skull. And another important feature is that this app can be integrated with other software. So for example, if you want to screen record this and use it to teach your class, you're able to do that as well. All you have to do is to ensure that you have the appropriate screen recording app, and that is what I'm doing here now on the screen. So I'm screen recording for you, so you're able to see how you can utilize this in the classroom. The one that I use, there's a brush at the bottom. I can select that brush tool or that pencil tool, and it will allow me to mark on this 3D version. So I'm able to ask questions, make little jottings, whatever it is I want to do when I'm screen recording or videoing it. Now this is another tour, and for demo purposes I took this tour in AR. So that's the augmented reality, and that's what it looks like. In order to use the augmented reality though, you need to have a book with pictures or writing on it, so you can scan it and then the AR version will come up, right? So it's very versatile. Again, if you like the information that was shared, show your appreciation by either leaving a like, subscribe, and share this information to your other colleagues or other persons who you may think this might be useful to. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time.